Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu, and I'm again here practicing my English. So you can see I'm learning spoken English. So this time I'm again at my field area. So you can see no one is here, and I'm all alone, and no one is stopping me, no one judging me. What I'm saying, what I'm doing. So this is good place for beginner if you wanna improve your English, whatever any languages. So if you wanna try to speak, so you have to practice, because without practice you can't speak English. So I came here every day and practice my English. So here I can speak freely, no one is stopping me, no one judging me. So you can see it's my village. Basically it's not village, it's outside of village, it's the middle of the villages. So here a village, and there a village, and behind me, so it's the middle of the, and it's a field area. So here you can see only planted some wheat plants. So you can see all over you only wheat plants, and here some other plants. So I explain everything because explanation is good, because when you explain, so many challenges come. So when I explain, not come in exact words, exact sentences, so so it's such my mind. So that's why I explain everything. So guys, you can see this is tube well. So it's the only tube well this area, and it's a very long area, and people irrigate this tube well by the pipe. So let's see very close. So you can see it's a very small house, and here you can see the pipe. Water come from this way, and here come water and go this field, and that field area all. So you can see it's very close water system. So here people grow some vegetables and some radish. So you can see it's not wheat plants field, it's another field. And guys, look at, see, it's a very small river here, and you can see it's a very muddy and very hard in this river. And in the river side people grow some crops like mustard. You can see very close the river people grow mustard. And here you can see one farmer grown onion. So you can see there are lots of onion, and you can see the quite good onion and onion harvesting the people. And you can see the road goes through this river, and the river is quite small, so it's dried. And so guys, you can see this is the village life and the farmer do. And here you can see the water come from that tube well. And also let's see some other crops. So you can see this is carrot. So you can see people harvest here carrot, and here some very bad carrots. And also you can see the carrots, lots of bad carrots. So yeah guys, these types of crops here farmers grow. And yeah, you can see this is another field, it's lentil field. So people, you can see lentil thresh here, and you can see some bricks, and they thresh this by this bricks. And you can see this is the rope, and this rope is made by paddy plants. So when paddy plant dry, and the people get this and round this and made a rope for bind wheat plants. So it made a big bundle, so that thresh in the thresher. So these types of farming our farmer do. So here you can see this is the road, and we call it made. And I'm going through this made, and yeah, it's connected all. So it's go there, and it's go this side, and also it connected every main road, because here not proper road. So here only these types of roads, only by foot, only by walk. So it's a very problematic area, because it's not proper road not proper irrigation system here. So guys, I'm learning English, so but I'm explaining everything. So it helped me to improve my English. That's why I explain everything. Because when you speak, first when you are beginner, so not come in mind exact words, exact sentences. So when you explain like anything, whatever you have, you explain, because explanation is good thing. So I explain everything like this, and you can see some barren land here. Not any crops grow, and it's I think very long distance from this farmer. So that's why he not do farming in this field, and it's a barren land. So guys, I do daily 10 minutes. My resolution is do 10 minutes, and you also can do like this. Do 10 minutes daily. I speak without stoppage, without hesitation. Every day do 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Otherwise you can increase your time, so it will be good, and you will be very fluent very short time. And I'm doing like this. When I started the first 2-3 session, that was quite boring. I was disappointed, and I was stumbling start middle of this conversation, middle of this speaking, not coming in my mind, not coming in my mouth. So it was problem, but now I am quite fluent. So it's only for practice. So you have to practice a lot, practice as much as you can. So practice make you fluent. And you can see here in the middle of the field here a little garden. It's eucalyptus trees garden, and here many problems. I said that here water system many problem water. So people, you can see the tube well is there, and so water problem is main here. So people planted here trees like eucalyptus, and some farmers don't do any crops. So you can see also it's a barren land, and people here throw their garbage like these herbs and weeds and everything. And also some farmers do farming like who not take much water. So you can see there is also a mustard, and some also again lentil. So guys, some crops don't take much water, like lentil don't take any water, that grow only rainwater. Also you can see this is the mustard, and also mustard don't take much water, it takes only 2 times water. And this is wheat plant, and it takes 2 to 3 times water. So that's why people do less water crops here, because it's a very problem here, water irrigation system. So here you can see lots of field of barren type, but you can see this is mustard stem. So you can see now only straw, and it's a very fertile area, but not good irrigation system here. So that's why it's remain like this. And I explained quite well today, and I'm increasing my fluency quite well, and some mistakes I'm doing now, and it will improve slowly. So I came here quite close, so you can see there is a green area, and here green area people grow vegetables and cow fodder, because it's very close to main road. So main road there are many types of boring, many types of tube well, and connectivity, because it's a vehicle connectivity. That's why here lots of crops grown. So guys, I came here quite close, so you can see I'm here main road, and the motorbike going there, and yeah, when I come very close, people there look at me what is doing here, and so I a little bit blush, and I little bit. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. So please let me know how's the video this, and how did I wrong, how did I mistakes, and what I should do to improve. So you can see this is cow fodder, and it's quite close the road. So you can see there's auto rickshaw going there, and also there are some herbs, some flower, sticky plant flower. It's a many, and also there is cow fodder, big cow fodder, and here some green area. So I'm very close at my village, so I'm gonna wrap this blog here. So please let me know how's the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.